it's real simple, man. You just got to do the obvious, right? The obvious is you got to find people that are doing the best and living the lifestyle that you're living and follow what they do. And you can learn from people that are failures too, right? I mean, if you find somebody that's not doing so well, you just find out what they do and do the total opposite. And I found that out real quick, man, when I was a young age. Found people and I surrounded myself with, because I know I didn't have all the answers. I didn't have, the right plan, but I just copied someone else's plan, and I
Hmm.
went on that same path. A lot of times people quit because they're comparing their chapters, meaning, I was in my chapter 1 while someone's already in their chapter 90, right? I'm like, man, I feel like it's such a stretch, but once you go through the process and you learn from their mistakes, you kind of bridge the gap a little bit and you get to that final destination a little bit quicker. So I
Hmm.
would say, find the mentorship, find the people that's gone their way before you go after it.